45 plus science general knowledge facts for kids. 1. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. 2. Plants absorb carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. 3. The skin is the largest organ in the human body. 4. Gravity keeps us grounded on Earth. 5. Bees collect nectar to make honey. 6. An adult human has 206 bones. 7. Mars is known as the red planet. 8. Photosynthesis is how plants make their food. 9. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. 10. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 11. Diamond is the hardest natural substance. 12. An adult human has 32 teeth. 13. Nitrogen is the main gas in the air we breathe. 14. Leaves conduct photosynthesis in plants. 15. The chemical symbol for water is H2O. 16. The cell is the smallest unit of life. 17. There are 8 planets in our solar system. 18. Saturn is known for its rings. 19. A geologist studies rocks. 20. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere. 21. The femur is located in the leg. 22. Earth's rotation causes day and night. 23. The heart pumps blood throughout the body. 24. The nucleus is the center of an atom. 25. We live in the Milky Way galaxy. 26. Carbon is the building block of life. 27. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. 28. The blue whale is the largest mammal. 29. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. 30. The atmosphere surrounds the Earth. 31. There are 7 continents on Earth. 32. Venus is called Earth's twin. 33. The Sun is mainly composed of hydrogen. 34. A frog is an amphibian. 35. Fossils are preserved remains of ancient organisms. 36. Metamorphosis is how a caterpillar becomes a butterfly. 37. The atom is the basic unit of matter. 38. The hands have the most bones in the human body. 39. Kinetic energy is energy of motion. 40. The lungs are the main organ for breathing. 41. Sputnik 1 was the first artificial satellite. 42. Jupiter is known for its great red spot. 43. The chemical symbol for gold is O. 44. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. 45. Venus is known as the morning star and the evening star. 46. A meteorologist studies weather. 47. The Sun is a yellow dwarf star. 48. Earth orbits the Sun in 1 year.